Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the watches at the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. And if you enjoy the videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so today let's go ahead and jump into our review. Today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31. The reference number for this watch is the 178240. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet class, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So jumping right into the dial, we have Roman numeral hour markers and silver dial. The Roman numeral hour markers, the hour hand, minute, and seconds hand, along with the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, are fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. The we have the Rolex Datejust name at the 12 o'clock position right underneath the crown, and at the 3 o'clock position we have the at the 3 o'clock position we have the date window with the Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for easier viewing of that date. Now specifically, because the Datejust is more of a dressier watch, it does have more options and configuration for the specific watch. So if you don't like the silver dial with Roman numerals, or rather you like the Roman numerals but you don't like the silver dial, you can also get the dial colors in the white, black, pink, or blue. And the same can be said if you're looking for stick hour markers instead of the Roman numerals. You can get that in the silver, white, black, blue, black, pink, blue, and of course the silver as well. But here at JazTime.com, we strive to make the watch right for you. So with these base models of the 178240, we actually do custom made dials as well. A few that we've done in the past are the meteorite dial with diamond hour markers, or mother of pearl dials with diamond hour markers as well. And we'll have links to the description below so you can take a look at that as well. Moving on to the bezel. The bezel is just a very simple, high polished domed bezel. Has a very nice shine to it. It really complements the face of the watch to bring more of that shine to it. Of course, like I said, we also do a custom style bezel as well, where we put diamonds all around, about 46 to 48 diamonds around the bezel to give a more blingy look to the watch itself. Besides that, we're going to go ahead and move on to the case now. Case is a 31mm case, as the name states, Rolex Datejust 31. So from the index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. We have nice high polish on the top part of the lugs of the case and the bottom part of the lugs of the case that match with that high polished bezel to have that nice overall symmetrical shine to the face. On the side profile of the watch, you can see not too high of a profile will fit in our suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. And we have the nice high polish on the sides as well that pattern very nicely with the bracelet. You can see a nice high polish on the other side as well. Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown now. Crown is a simple screw down to unlock double waterproofness system that unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position, you can wind the watch from a desktop. 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Simply tugging out the crown to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously by going clockwise as shown. Pulling out the crown to the final position, keep your eye on the seconds hand here as we'll stop that seconds hand. Allowing for precise time settings such as to an atomic clock online, we can set it down to the exact seconds, and of course adjust the hands bidirectionally as well. Pressing crown back in against the case, we'll start that seconds hand once more. Always screw the crown nice and tight in against the case to protect your watch from water. And the water resistance for this watch is 100 meters or 330 feet. Alright, moving on to the bracelet now. Bracelet matching that dressy design, as you see the high polish into the satin finish on the outer of the 3-piece Oyster link bracelet. That nice satin finish really complements the high polish and makes the high polish shine a bit more, and makes it stand out a bit more as well, and brings it to detail. We have a nice high polish down the center of the 3-piece links. You can see throughout the whole bracelet that high polish even travels along the clasp and even to the other side of the bracelet as well. The bracelet is also available in a Jubilee style bracelet, which is a 5-piece link bracelet. If you're looking for more of a dressier look than the sportier look, even though this is a little bit of a hybrid between a dress and sportier bracelet. The clasp itself is just a simple folding oyster clasp. It opens up as so to reveal this nicely high polished clasp blade with the Rolex name embossed on there. So that's how the clasp looks opened up. And once again, closed. Nice curvature of the clasp to allow for more comfortability on the wrist. We're going to go ahead and move on to the movement now. The movement is housed in a simple Oyster case backing back here. The movement is an in-house made movement. It's the Rolex's mechanical perpetual self-winding movement. This is their caliber 2235 movement, which has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs. The functions of the movement is a center hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting and stopping the second hand for precise time setting, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch is approximately 48 hours, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Alright, so let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. Keep in mind I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. And there we are. You can still see there's still a little bit of room there, so the standard size for the bracelet is 7.5 inches. You can see absolutely beautiful, gorgeous silver dial that has that sort of feature that Rolex has called a sunburst feature, where if the light shines on a specific part, you kind of see that it's a little bit darker towards the bottom and the top, but it has a nice light shining on the left and the right, and that kind of twists and turns in retrospect to sunlight. So absolutely gorgeous feature of Rolex dials. You can see it doesn't sit high off the wrist. It's just an absolutely beautiful watch overall. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.